Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna. I feel very energetic and happy. The sun is shining, and it is a beautiful day for learning. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful time.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom. I am very happy too. Today, the weather is a bit cloudy, but I feel warm in my heart. I am happy because we have a very interesting topic today. I am a little bit hungry right now, so this topic is perfect for me.
Oh, Tom, you are always hungry. That is very funny. But it is true. Today we are talking about something very important. We are talking about food. We all love food. Food gives us life, and food gives us energy.
Yes, food is amazing, but there are different types of food. Today we want to talk about healthy food and junk food. This is a very simple topic, but it is very useful for your English. We want to help you speak about your favorite meals.
That is right. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you like our videos, please give us a like. We love to read your comments. Your support makes us very happy and helps us create more lessons for you.
Yes, please subscribe. It is very important for us. Now, Anna, let us start with the first question. What is healthy food? For a beginner student, what is the meaning of healthy food?
Healthy food is food that is good for your body. It is food that makes you strong. It is food from nature. For example, apples are healthy food. Bananas are healthy food. Carrots and tomatoes are healthy food too. These are fruits and vegetables.
I love apples. Apples are sweet and crunchy. I also like bananas. Bananas are soft and yellow. I think fruits are the best healthy food because they are like natural candy. They have sugar, but it is good sugar.
Exactly, Tom. Fruits are delicious. Vegetables are also very important. Many people do not like vegetables, but they are very good. Broccoli is green and looks like a small tree. Spinach is green and makes you strong like a superhero. Do you like vegetables, Tom?
I like some vegetables. I like potatoes and I like corn. I think salad is okay too. A salad has lettuce and cucumber. It is very fresh. When I eat a salad, I feel very light. I do not feel heavy. I feel like I have a lot of energy to run or to walk.
That is the secret of healthy food. It gives you energy for a long time. It is like fuel for a car. If you put good fuel in the car runs fast and well. If you eat good food, your brain works better too.
But Anna, we also have junk food. Junk food is very famous. Everyone knows junk food. Junk food is food like pizza or hamburgers. It is food like French fries or chocolate. It is usually fast food.
Yes, junk food is very popular. Why is it called junk food? Because it does not have many vitamins. It has a lot of salt and a lot of fat and a lot of sugar. It tastes very good, but it is not very good for the heart or the stomach if you eat it every day.
I love pizza, Anna. Pizza is my favorite junk food. It has bread and cheese and tomato sauce. Sometimes it has pepperoni. It is warm and it smells wonderful. When I see a pizza, I feel very excited. I want to eat the whole pizza.
Pizza is very tasty, Tom. I understand you. My favorite junk food is ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream and vanilla ice cream. It is cold and sweet. When I am sad, ice cream makes me feel happy for a moment. But I know I cannot eat ice cream for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Imagine that. Ice cream for breakfast? That sounds like a dream, but my stomach would be very angry with me. That is the problem with junk food. It tastes very good in the mouth, but later the body feels tired.
You are right. This is an important point for our friends. Junk food gives you energy very fast. You feel a boom of energy, but after 30 minutes, the energy goes away. You feel sleepy. You want to take a nap on the sofa.
Yes, that is true. When I eat a big hamburger with French fries and a large soda, I feel very full. My stomach is big. I cannot move. I want to sleep for 2 hours. I do not want to study English. I do not want to work. I just want to rest.
That is because the body is working very hard to process all that fat and salt. healthy food is different. If you eat chicken and rice and a little bit of broccoli, you feel satisfied but not heavy. You can continue with your day.
So we have a choice every day. We can choose healthy food or we can choose junk food. Some people say that healthy food is boring. They say that salad has no taste. What do you think, Anna? Is healthy food boring?
I don't think so, Tom. Healthy food can be very delicious. You can use herbs and spices. You can use lemon or olive oil. A piece of grilled fish with lemon is not boring. It is delicious. Or a bowl of yogurt with strawberries and honey. That is a wonderful dessert.
That sounds good. I think the problem is that junk food is very easy. You can buy a hamburger in 2 minutes. You can open a bag of potato chips in 1 second. To make a healthy soup, you need time. You need to cut the onions and the carrots.
Yes, time is a big factor. We are all very busy. Sometimes we are tired and we don't want to cook. In those moments, junk food is very easy to find, but we must try to prepare our food. Preparing food is a way to love ourselves.
That is a very beautiful thought, Anna. Cooking is a way to take care of our health. For our listeners who are learning English, this is a great way to practice. You can read a recipe in English. You can learn words like cut or boil or fry.
Yes, or you can go to the supermarket and say the names of the food in English. You can look at the apples and say, "These are red apples." You can look at the milk and say, "I need milk." It is a very good exercise for your brain.
I have a question for our friends. What did you eat today? Did you eat something healthy or did you eat something junk? Please tell us in the comments. We want to know your favorite food. Writing in the comments is a great way to practice your English.
Please write to us. We love to read you. Now, Tom, let's talk about drinks, because drinks can be healthy or junk too. For example, water is the most healthy drink. Our body is made of water. We need water every day.
I drink a lot of water. I try to drink 8 glasses of water every day. Sometimes I drink tea. Green tea is very healthy. It has no sugar and it feels very fresh. But I also like soda. Soda is junk drink. It has too much sugar.
Soda is very dangerous because we don't feel the sugar. 1 bottle of soda has many spoons of sugar. It is better to drink natural juice, for example, orange juice. You take the oranges and you squeeze them. That is healthy and full of vitamin C.
I love orange juice in the morning. It helps me wake up. But be careful, friends, because some juices in the supermarket have added sugar. It is always better to eat the fruit or make the juice at home.
Exactly. Real food is always better than food in a box or a plastic bag. If the food comes from a plant, it is usually good. If the food is made in a big factory, it is usually junk food. That is a simple rule to remember.
That is a very good rule, Anna. If it grows in the ground, eat it. If it is made in a machine, think about it twice. I want to be healthy because I want to live many years. I want to have energy to play and to speak English with all of you.
We want that too. Being healthy makes you feel more positive. When you eat well, your mind is clear. You can learn English faster when you eat healthy food. Your brain needs good vitamins to remember new words like strawberry or cucumber.
I agree. Let's repeat some words for our friends. Repeat after me. Apple, banana, tomato, salad. This is healthy food. Now repeat pizza, burger, chips, candy. This is junk food. It is easy, right?
Very easy. You are doing a great job. Remember that it is okay to eat junk food sometimes. Maybe on Saturday or Sunday you can have a piece of cake. Or maybe you can go to a party and eat some snacks. The important thing is the balance.
Balance is the key word. If you eat healthy food 80% of the time, you can eat junk food 20% of the time. That is a good balance. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be mindful.
Mindful is a beautiful word. It means to think about what you are doing. When you eat, think, is this good for me? If the answer is yes, enjoy it. If the answer is no, maybe eat just a little bit.
I feel much better now. I was hungry for a burger, but now I think I want a big green salad with some chicken. Thank you, Anna, for the inspiration. You are a very good friend.
You are welcome, Tom. I am happy you chose the salad. I will have a salad with you. And after the salad, we can drink some water and continue our day with a lot of energy and a big smile.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Thank you everyone for listening to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are very grateful for your time. Remember to like this video and share it with your family.
Yes, please share. Maybe you have a friend who wants to learn English and eat healthy. This video is perfect for them. We are a big family of learners.
See you in the next episode, friends. Keep practicing your English every day. Small steps are very important. 1 word today, 2 words tomorrow. You can do it.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a healthy and happy day. We love you. See you soon.
Bye-bye.